Welcome to Volume 3. Volumes are a mixtape of everything we've been working on over the last month. My name is Kevin, and I'm one of the co-founders here at Tempo. For the last few months, we've watched tens of thousands of you use and abuse our AI agent. And so we decided it was time to rebuild everything from the ground up. Introducing Tempo Max. Tempo Max is a complete rebuild of our AI agent from the ground up, built specifically around Claude 4. Many of you work at software companies with really large code bases. I'm excited to share today that we're seeing very strong performance across all benchmarks and reduced error rates with Tempo Max on code bases of up to 250,000 lines of code. Let's go. Next up, we have issue management in Tempo, and this one's built specifically for all UPMs. When you have a real production grade application and a large team and way more customer feedback than you know how to handle, organizing your backlog gets really hard. With issue management in Tempo, you don't have to use Trello anymore. You don't have to use Linear. You don't have to use Jira, although I don't know if you're using Jira right now. You can do everything in one place, all in Tempo. Many people ask us, are you crazy? Why build issue management into Tempo? Isn't Tempo a vibe coding tool? Isn't it a design tool? Listen, stay tuned for the next volume, or maybe the volume after that, but issue management introduces a whole new world of capabilities. I'm excited to show you what we're cooking. This next one is for all you designers. I have to apologize. The UX of our Figma plugin used to be kind of garbage. But with this new update, no longer do you have to pick a canvas or pick a project. All you need to do is copy and paste. Track number 4, design tokens. This is one of our most requested features, and so I'm super excited to be introducing it to you today. With custom design tokens, you can reuse and manage your Tailwind and CSS variables right from within the styling panel. For designers, this should really speed up your workflow. For those of you who don't care about design tokens, you probably should. With track number 5, designers, we're showing you some more love. Introducing props and controls for Storybook. With props and controls, we're giving designers fine-grained control over every component in your design system. When it comes to design, we're big believers that humans will outperform AI. And with this release, it gives you the ability to continue designing by hand. And let's be honest, prompting for everything is kind of annoying. And finally, for our enterprise customers, I promise we didn't forget you. With this volume, we're introducing support for Bitbucket, completing the trinity of version control. We now support GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. And that concludes Volume 3. I want to end this video by saying thank you. Thank you to each and every single one of you who spent your time over the last few months, journeying with us, following what we're doing, trying the product, giving us feedback. We have tons of exciting things coming up, and I can't wait to show you. So keep building, we'll keep building alongside you. We'll see you in the next volume. Oh, that's pretty loud. I have like minor, almost like ADHD, so I get like distracted. And we're introducing Tempo Max is a